Morning all. Well, that was a good night's sleep. It's well, it's a bit fresh. It's a bit frosty this morning. The tent's quite white. Yeah. I just turned you on basically. To hear all the birds singing. You can hear. Lovely to hear the dawn chorus this morning. Well, I'm not too sure whether any of those recordings earlier worked. Anyway, morning all. Well, I think we're going to head straight home today. Go back the way we came. Don't really see any point in going a long way round. There's a distinct lack of ponies. I've not seen, well, they're all over there, but normally they come through their campsite early on, but as I say, I didn't see any today, or last night for that matter. Anyway, like I say, very fresh this morning. Let's go this way. Frost on the tent and on the ground. Quite an effort to, oh God, to pack everything away, cold and wet, but hey, that's all part of camping. Right, let's see, look, let's just take a photo. Right, I shall speak to you later. Goodbye. With you. Are you on? Well, I don't think this camera likes the cold weather. It keeps cutting out on me. As I said, we're not going back the same way. We're going to go through the forest a bit. We might head up to Lyndhurst rather than go through Bewley. I want to go to a shop in Southampton if I can. Well, I'm not saying we've had any rain, but look over there, that's normally just fields. Let's turn you this way now. Yeah, I mean, look. Water everywhere. We're coming up to Hatchet Pond. We've still not seen any ponies really. They normally gather there, so hopefully we'll see some there. But yeah, can't believe how flooded everywhere is. But and it did rain quite a lot on Saturday. Right, I'll turn you off and put you back. Look, trees on me. Well, that's annoying. Hatchet Pond is closed. They're relocating the car park or something. There might not be too much more recording today. This battery, I don't think it's liking the cold and keeps cutting out, and some idiot forgot to pack his spare ones, so never mind. Oh, look, there's some cows. Oh, Daisy. You. Hello, you. Oh, big brutes. Right, goodbye. Look, we found some ponies. We've had to go on a little detour, but nothing major. Main road's just up there. Plenty more over there as well, when you can make them out. We're just coming up to Dibden Hurley, I think it is. So we'll sort of go round Hythe, Beeling Mill, I think it is. We'll go that way. Right, get back on that road. In fact, now I'm going to stop and put my gloves back on. It's still rather chilly. Right, goodbye. Well, we're just going over that. We're just going over that Redbridge bridge. No, Redbridge Causeway actually it's called. I've just seen a sign for when they say they're going to finish work on it. It's winter 2023, so looks like this is going to be here for the next time I come this way. It's a real pain in the what's it. I better give way to old matey. Ugh. Thanks. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry. Anytime. People wonder why I get annoyed with Lycra. The Lycra Brigade. Right. Goodbye. Now this, when we came through, it was very flooded down there and still is. Oi, chilly. The wind is pretty cold. Hi. I don't know whether you can hear it, but my pedals have been clicking like anything ever since we left home. Driving me mad. Well, we made it home. The battery seems to have held out. How many miles? Hold on, let's look. I must admit it was quite hard going coming home. The wind was against us, but hey ho, it's fine. We made it. 73 miles today. Bit more than yesterday. That's fine. Yeah. So yeah. Well, I'll put all my stuff away. I hung the tent out. I don't know whether you can see it in the garage. Let that dry. I'm in puddle of water when I took it out. As I say, it was frosty when I put it away. Right. I shall clear up and get going, have a shower, and well, I shall speak to you all soon. Goodbye.